Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we are doing the melodic dictation game. So let's come over to the staff and get started. All right, for our melodic dictation game today, we're going to be using the 5 notes of the bass C major pentascale. Now, can you sing these 5 notes with me? Let's sing it together using solfege. Ready, start on do, go. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Good. Now let's try it with letter names, starting on C. Ready, go. C, D, E, F, G. Now if we take out the line notes so we have only space notes, now that makes an arpeggio. Do, mi, so. If we take out mi, now we've got the interval of a fifth. From do to so. Now let's try our first dictation. I'll give you a clue. The first note starts on do. Listen, and on your own at home, if you download the materials from our website, you can print this staff out and try and figure out the melodic dictation at home. Then I'll show you the correct answer. Here's the first one. Try and write it down. Here it is one more time. Here's the correct answer. Can you sing it with me in solfege? It went do, re, mi, mi, fa, so. Good. Now can you say the letter names for this melody? Point and say the letters. Go. If you said C, D, E, E, F, G, you are correct. Let's try another one. This one will start not on do, but on so, which is up here on this space note. And I'll give you a clue. This one will have skips in it. Listen one more time. Try and write it down. Here's the correct answer. Can you sing it with me? It starts on so. Ready, go. So, mi, so, mi, do. Good, let's try another one. This time we'll start on do again. That will be your first note. Here it is again. Here's the correct answer. Can you sing it with me in solfege? Go. Do, re, do, re, do, re, mi. Good. Now can you say the letter names with me? Ready, go. C, D, C, D, C, D, E. Good job. Let's try another one. This time, let's start on mi, which in C position is what letter? If you said E, you're correct. So this one will start on E or mi. Let's listen to this one. Let's listen again now. Here's the correct answer. I played mi, mi, re, do, do. Can you sing the letter names for me? It starts on E. Ready, go. The correct answer is E, E, D, C, C. We'll do one last melodic dictation. This time we're going to start on do. And I'll give you a hint. This time there will be a big skip somewhere. Here it is again. Here is the correct answer. We have do, do, so, so, fa, mi, re, do. Can you sing the letter names for me? Go. The correct answer is C, C, G, G, F, E, D, C. I know I said that would be the last one, but here's one more bonus just for fun. We're going to start on do again. Here we go. Here it is again. Here's the correct answer. Can you sing it with me? Starts on do. Ready, go. Do, 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 re, mi, mi. Great job. Great job playing our melodic dictation game. Remember, a great musician has great ears. I want you to always be listening. Whenever you hear music, see if you can hear which direction the melody is going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mr. Hoffman, can I have a turn now? Sure, Chef. Here's one more for you. Oh, and can you make it a low one, please? Sure, you got it. This one will begin on ground G. Oh, goody, ground G. Okay, ready? Oh, quick, give me some ledger lines. Woo-hoo. Oh, thanks, monkey. Whoa! A little too low, I think. Sorry, Chef. No problem. I'm okay.